Hi, welcome to my channel Data Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about how to build a Jarvis-like app with Python. So it's all about like voice automated, I'm going to say something in voice and then Python is going to perform the action for it. So let me show you what are all the prerequisites or required for you before you start this program. So you need this package PyTTXSX3, which is like text to speech and speech to text conversion will happen with this library. And then I'm going to use the speech recognition API by Google, and then I'm going to use datetime Wikipedia package and web browser packages. And one more thing, we need this Pi audio to be get installed in our machine. So in Windows it was not working directly, so you have to install pipvim and then you have to go with this command. So I have just downloaded this code from a site, some of the random website on internet. So like I have altered the code like based on my requirement, and then one thing that they have missed to explain in that website is this part, this Pi audio part. So I've just fixed the error. I got some issues and I able to fix it with this command. So I'm just sharing with you. Okay, so here you can see I'm initializing this and then with a variable engine, and then I'm creating one more variable as voice engine dot get property, and the property is voice. It's my input, so I'm just getting the input via this particular command, and then I'm setting that property with the voice command. Means I'm just getting the voice and then I'm setting the voice. So next, there is a method speak, and I'm passing the variable as means the argument as audio. Engine dot say audio and engine dot run and wait. I will just explain you when I go for this method. What is the purpose of speak? I will explain you in the next method. So there is a next method with me. So here if you see imagine if you go for Apple Siri app or Google Assist app, like when you click it, so the app will first greet you saying that good morning, good afternoon, I'm Google, I'm Siri, how can I help you, something like that, right? So just to do that, I have written this function. So here based on the time that this particular app will respond me like good morning or good afternoon or good evening, and then it will say like I'm Jarvis, how can I help you? So if you see here, I'm using the function speak, this function, and I'm passing good morning. So this good morning will go as a value for this argument audio, and then the Python will tell you good morning. And then I'm asking the code to run and wait. It's not run and exit. I'm asking the code run and wait. And once that is done, then I will be getting this particular message, again the speak method. So this is done. So now take a command now I'm going to use the speech recognitions to recognize the query from the user. So if you see here, microphone is going to be my source, and I'm just initializing the recognizer function with R, and with that I'm just saying like what is my source microphone. So I'm just initializing it and listening. Now the first print statement will come listening, then I have to give my query, and then like the query will be get printed with user said as a prefix. And this recognize Google API, I'm passing the audio, the user input, I'm passing to this API, and language is ENIN, which is like English, but the accent is Indian accent, right? So based on like the country based accent of speaking English is different, right? So recognize Google API is wonderful in doing that, recognizing like it will be very like accurate in understanding the accent or like what we speak and how we speak in English. And then if there isn't any exception, so I'm handling it like if the voice is not there, if some blank voice or like something like that, it will say like say again please. So that's all. So then I'm just initializing I'm creating a main method, and with me is the very first function. Like first the app will greet me, and then I will be starting if my voice commands. So here like take command is the method you can see here. So this is a take command method. I'm just invoking it, and then here is my list of actions I have written in the if conditions. Okay. So if I say open YouTube, the app will open the YouTube. And then if I say open Stack Overflow, or if I say open Wikipedia, so I have to say Wikipedia with the search term. For example, Wikipedia Python, I have to say like that, or I can ask for that time. And even you can go with any other actions like installing an file, opening an exe file, or you can even send an email. You can initialize some SMTP library package, and you can even send an email, and or any other, open a notepad, open a Word document, whatever you want, you can just do it, because open a file, everything is possible, but we are doing it via voice command. And you can even integrate machine learning and data science algorithms to make it as like a real advanced Jarvis also. Fine. So I'm going to run this. So if I run it, you can able to hear the voice of the compiler, the Python, the Jarvis, I can say in that way. Fine. Let me run it.
Good evening. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open Google. The time.
Sir, the time is 22 hours 29 minutes and 31 seconds.
Wikipedia, Python.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Python is an interpreted, high-level and general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant wiki space.
Okay, let me kill the code. So if you see here, when I say Wikipedia with a search term, it's scrapping the content from the Wikipedia site about Python and it's reading it. It's wonderful, right? So that's all with respect to the video. Thanks for watching data engineering. And if you really like this video, please do subscribe channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. We do a lot of tech videos in two languages, English and Tamil. I do have big data, AWS, data science, and many other programming languages. Just have a look and please give your support via liking the video and commenting the video and subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching.